It's okay. It's okay.
Cody.
Cody, sit. 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 Sit.
You get used to
Show
that?
mom. Show mom.
Where is he? Wow.
What about that?
So you can run around.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel at Mamawoobee. So, ngayon, ipapasyal ko si Cody dito sa trail. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung paglalakad lang ni Cody. Kung paano ko siya exercise, wala, lakad lang. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and pati na rin yung bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Thank you! Hi! Welcome back mga be at Mamawoobee's channel! Time with Cody. What did you see? Is there fish in there? Come on, Cody. Cody. I love this nature trail we went to in Arizona. The creek is clear, so clear, and there's plenty of trees, which makes the area so shady, which is what I really like, right? And we went there with Cody, and we let him roam around off leash. Yeah, you heard it right, off leash. But his curiosity made him run away from us, and he headed to the other side of the creek, which happened to be the highway. So my husband had to run after him after our mischievous dog. So I won't spill the beans in here. Just keep on watching video so you would know how he enjoyed the trail and how mischievous he could get. Enjoy the video. Far, Cody. this
Wishes I wasn't
video.
on a leash. Get out. Okay, I'll look in here. I like to. I'll get your leg cut. Come this way, silly.
Is that his?
That's his hair, Portland. There you go. Keep going, Cody. You got a complete bath now. Get your butt wet. Come on. Ah, almost fell in all the way. Ah, there you
And
go.
kung
There
hindi
you
pa
go.
kayo nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And pati na rin yung bell para ma-notify kayo pag mayroong bagong video. Okay? Hinihingal ako. The time means shout out time. So shout out goes to my pretty cousin si Ate Roselle and her husband Kuya Cody Javier. Hello sa inyo, and if you wanna watch more YouTube videos like recipe videos, meron pong YouTube channel yang si Ate Roselle. Yung pangalan po ng YouTube channel niya ay Anak ni Roji. Please do watch her as well. Hello, shoutout sa inyo at sa mga anak at apo ninyo. Hello. Next shoutout goes to my friend, confidant, and she's a good listener and she's also good at giving advices. That's why I always call her every time na merong mga hindi magandang pangyayari sa aking buhay. At ganun din naman siya sa akin. So, I love you so much, friend. This is for you, Ano Campo. Hello. Shout out, diba? Na-shout out na kita. And then, shout out na rin sa asawa niya na si Ian Ocampo at sa mga anak nila si AJ, si Aliana at si Alisa. Hello there. Thank you for always supporting me, and thank you for always being there. Shout out goes to Tay Carnicer and his wife Charmaine. Hello. Thank you so much sa pag-watch sa mga videos ko as always, and thank you so much sa support. Keep watching my videos and I'm sure you will like more of my videos, my upcoming videos. And here's my shout out ko ngayon, and then keep commenting down below para sa susunod ko na shout out or sa susunod ko na video na i-upload, kayo naman yung isa shout out ko. So give it a like and share and subscribe na rin kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.